2 direct variation. Direct variation is defined by the formula y equals k times x, where k is some constant of variation that attributes to how you get the y. And it's got to be the same. K can never change. So for each function, determine whether y varies directly with x. If so, what is the constant variation in the function rule? What you want to do is you want to look at, is there some relationship between your y and your x? 2 divided by 1. Does that equal 6 divided by 3? Does that equal 8 divided by 4? Yeah, well, 2 divided by 1 is 2, 6 divided by 3 is 2, 8 divided by 4 is 2, so your k is going to be 2. That's your constant of variation. Now, what's your function rule? The function rule is y equals 2, which is your constant variation, never is going to change, times x. Those are your things that change. There's your function rule. If you look at b, it's the same process. Is 4 divided by 1 the same thing as 8 divided by 2, the same thing as 11 divided by 3? Well, 4 divided by 1 is 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4, so that's good. 11 divided by 3 is not 4, so it does not equal that. So your answer here is y does not vary. Directly with x. Problem 2, identifying direct variations from an equation. What you're looking for really is it multiplying? So remember, our equation for direct variation is y equals kx. So divide by 3, you get y equals 7 over 3 x. We don't really care what k is, but as long as k is just some constant, you're good. So your answer here is yes. What about here? Well, same difference. Let's divide by 7 and divide everything by 7. You get y equals 2x plus 1. Well, you do have that kind of constant right there. But is it a direct variation? And your answer here is no, because of that plus 1. Here, using a proportion to solve a direct variation, we know that y equals kx. Well, what can we use if we don't know k and we want to figure that out? Well, you can just divide by x here. You get k equals y over x. So let's take a look at that. 9 over 15, it's got to be the same to be a direct variation. So 9 over negative 15, has to equal y we don't know over 21. And like anything before, cross multiply, you get negative 15y equals 9 times 21, which equals 189. Divide by negative 15, which equals negative 12.6. Okay, so when x is 21, y is negative 12.6. Problem 4 is about using direct variation to solve a problem. A salesperson's commission varies directly with sales. For $1,000 in sales, the commission is $85. What is the commission for $2,300 in sales? The book goes through a whole process of solving for k and rewriting the formula, but it's really kind of a waste of time. You could do this just the way like we did problem 3 there. You get $1,000 per $85 commission. Well, what happens if you sell $2,300 in commission? Whatever you want to do, you put C there so you have commission. Cross multiply, you get 1,000. C equals 195,500. Divide by 1,000. C is $195.50. Way easier than trying to figure out what K is.